Hi chat, welcome to the stream. Yes, we are able to read the chats now. I have made some changes here. We can read chats now here. Today I set up the whole chat interface here. We can see our chats now. I have made some changes here. We can read chats now here. Today I set up the whole chat interface here. We can see our chats now. I have made some changes here. I think we are good to start, right? We can start now without wasting any time. Let's solve one problem. It's already 10:30, right? We will solve one problem within 40 minutes, and then we will try to solve two problems today. I will try to solve two problems today, and we will work on it. Yeah, let's start it. Everything is going good, right? uh, we will try to solve two problems today. I will try to solve two problems today, and we will work on it. Yeah, let's start it. Everything is going good, right? We will try to solve two problems today. I will try to solve two problems today, and we will work on it. Yeah, let's start it. Everything is going good, right? We will try to solve two problems. Yes, I can see your chats here now. If you chat anything, I can see here now clearly. Okay, where? Okay, let's start now. We have completed two, right? We'll start with the third one today. Start with the third one. Philip has a row of cells. Some chat yesterday. Some of you guys told that. How can I see that what you are writing in your notebook, right? So I thought to use this where it is exactly drop. Yes, here it is. I thought to use this, but I will do this when I'll understand the question, and when I will be figuring out the pattern at that time I will use that. For now we will go with this itself. Okay, let's start. Everything is good, right? Yes, everything. Yeah, I hope everything is good. Philip has a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. Philip has two rows of cells. some of which are blocked. Okay, Philip has a row of cells, a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. One, place water in an empty cell, and second, to remove water from a cell and place it in an any other empty cell. Remove water from a cell and place it in any other empty cell. If at some moment cell I, okay, it is either index, okay, is empty and both cells I minus 1 and I plus 1 contains water, then it becomes filled with the water. Find the minimum number of times he needs to perform actions 1 action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with water. Okay, Philip has a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them, which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. Empty cells to water in them. Okay, like this. These are filled. First, I understand this. Has two row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. And he wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. Okay, place water in an empty cell, remove water from a cell and place it in any other empty cell. If I moment cell I, if at some moment cell I, okay, is empty and both cells I minus 1 and I plus 1 contains water, is empty and both cells I minus 1 and I plus 1 contains water, then it becomes filled with water. Find minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with water. Note that you don't need to minimize the use of action 2. Note that blocked cells neither contain water nor can Philip place water in tube. Two, okay, Philip can put water in cell 1 and 3. The question is, Philip has a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. He has a row of cells, some are blocked and some are empty. He wants empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. One, place water in an empty cell. Second one is remove water from a cell and place it in any other empty cell. If at some point, some moment, cell I, okay, index is a 2 or greater than 2 is empty. At moment cell I is empty and both cell I minus 1 and then it becomes filled with water. Find minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill an empty cell with water. Okay, in the second, let's consider the second one, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is blocked, this is blocked, and this is blocked. In the first test case, Philip can put water in cell 1 and 3s. As cell 2 is between, it gets filled with water 2 is empty. Both cell contains water, then it becomes filled with water. Okay. If there is a gap between two waters that we have filled, then the middle one gets filled by itself, right? Find the minimum number of times. Okay. We have 4. We have 4, then will be by 2. If it is 2, the 1 and 1. 1. Okay, okay. There should be. It is 2. It is in this test case. Okay. In the second test case, he can put water source in 3 and 5. 3 and 5. The result in cell 4 getting filled with water, then he will remove water from the fifth cell and then he will keep it in the sixth cell as cell 5's neighbor 4, as cell 4 and cell 6 have water in them and cell 5 also get filled with water. You can see the illustration there. Okay, okay. Now in the first test case, he will fill all of them because there is no place such that okay, in 10th one he'll place here and here will fill, which is the fifth criteria. There exists a sequence of action that requires only two type 1 action. One is here, so let me see the third test case. In third case, you can put water in empty cells that requires 5 actions of 1. And here is 2 and 1, 1 and 3, right? The fifth test case, in the fifth test case, and 1, 1 and 3, right? The fifth test case, in the fifth test case, and 1, 1 and 3, right? and some are empty. Okay.
If the test case
If at some element
in the fifth
I
test
okay
case,
I is greater, here there will be two actions that I am getting confused here.
1 and 2
And some are empty. Okay. If at some moment
the test
cell I
case, if at
is
some
empty
element
and
I
both cells I minus 1 and
I
I plus
okay
1 contains
is
filled with water,
greater,
find the minimum number of times he needs to perform
here
action 1
there
in
will be
order to
two
fill
actions
all
that I am
empty
getting
cells with
confused here.
water. Note that you don't need to minimize the use of actions 2. Note that blocked
Some are
cells
empty.
neither
Okay. If
contains
at some
water
moment
nor can
cell I if
Philip
at some
place
empty
water in
and
it.
both
Okay,
cells I minus 1 and I plus 1
blocked cells
contains
neither
filled with
contain
water,
water
find the
nor
minimum number of
can
times he
Philip
needs to
place
perform action
water
1 in
in
order
order
to
to
fill
fill
all
all
empty
empty
cells
cells with
with here.
water. Note that you don't need to minimize the use of actions 2. Note that
Blocks
this
and
is
neither
0
contains
if at some
water
moment
nor can
cell I
Philip
is
place
empty
water in
and
it.
both
Okay,
cells
block
I
cells
minus 1 and
length
I
is
plus
block
1
cells
neither
filled with
contain
water.
water
Find the
nor
minimum number of
can
times he
Philip
needs to
place
perform action
water
1
in
in
order
order
to
to
fill
actions
all
that I am
empty
getting
cells with
confused here.
water. Note that you don't need to
There will
minimize
be
the
two
use of
actions.
actions 2. Note that find what he has given
Blocks
is
and neither
0. Minimum
contains
amount of
water
action needed
nor
to
can
fill all the empty
Philip
cells
place
with
water in it.
water.
Okay, block cells
Length is
block
minimum
cells
action
neither
here
contain
required
water. Find the
nor
minimum number of
can
times he
Philip
needs to
place
perform action
water
1
in
in
order
order
to
to
fill
actions
all
that I am
empty
getting
cells with
confused here.
water. Note that you don't need to
Actions that
minimize the use
requires
of
actions
actions 2.
2.
Note that
Find
type
what he
1
has
actions
given
is
neither
0. Minimum
contains
amount of
water
action needed
nor
to
can
fill all the
What
empty
I am
cells
not
with
getting is
the water.
both cells minus 1 and
Length
I
is
plus
minimum
1
action
neither
here
contain
required
water. Find the
nor
minimum number of
can
times he
Philip
needs to
place
perform action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with
water. Note that you don't need to
actions that
minimize the
requires
use of Philip has okay. Now what he'll do is hmm, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now he will fill water here. Place in an empty cell and remove this and place here, here and here. This it should be 4, right? But he has written it as no, it should be 5, right? He has written it as 5. And in 10th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fourth one and the last one, right? Now the second one and the fourth one should be filled with water, so that should be filled with water so that the third one filled by itself. So these are two actions and there should be 5, 6 and 7, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 10 it should be 5, but the answer that the test case is given is 2. Okay, there is something that is hidden in this question that I should figure out. I think there are very less people today. There are very less people today. Wait, once I will check from my people today. In first test case, okay. The question he's trying to tell us is, uh, he wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions at his disposal. Place water in empty cells. If at some moment a cell for each test case output a single number, the minimal amount of actions one needed to fill all empty cells with water. The minimal amount of actions one needed to fill all the empty cells with water. Action one needed to fill all empty cells with water. Okay, but I'm I understood this and this one, but I'm not getting fifth test case because let's do in this. This is my first time trying in this. I will try. I'll try however. Right. We have a table right here. We have a table here. Let's assume we have 3 divided into 3, right? Now what he has done is, uh, there are some places like he has given hash, right? Hash, star, star and hash. So these are places which are blocked, and these are the empty places. So let's assume there is the first case is 3, right? So we can fill water in this and water in this. So this place fills by itself because the I minus 1 and I plus 1 both have this and this both have water. If we filled water, so these get so this place gets water filled by itself because both either side of it is filled with water, so it fills with water automatically. So Philip can put water in 1 and cell 3. As cell 2 is between two cells with water, it gets filled with water too. Now, coming with the second test case, we have 7, right? In 7, what we have is hash, hash, star, 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 hash, another star. Now we can, it is like this, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is blocked, this is blocked, this is empty, this is empty, this is empty, this is empty, and this is blocked. Now we can uh, fill water in this and fill water in this, so that it get filled with water itself. We filled in this and filled in this, so we have to make our minimal moves, right? So we'll put in this and we will put in this, so it get filled by itself, and then we remove water from this and place in this. What happens is, so we are filling just two times, right? Now this will be empty because we took the water from here and placed here, right? Now this place will fill automatically because this I minus 1 and I plus 1 have water. So the test case will be 2. So we have placed only 2 times, that's why its answer is 2. And coming with the other test case, which is also 7, but this time it is a different, which is empty empty hash, again star hash, star star. Now we can't, it is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it is blocked and it is blocked. Now if we place in this, it doesn't fill automatically, right? So we have to fill this, we have to fill this, we have to fill this, we have to fill this with water, and we have to fill this, so it becomes 5. So we have to fill all the 5, because we can't there are no such place that if we place here and here, it fills automatically, right? So the output will be 5 for it. But in this test case, in this test case there is like hash star 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 hash. Now what we have is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? This is blocked, this is blocked, this is blocked, and this is blocked. So you can fill in this and this, it fills by itself. Now we have two currently. Now what we have to do is uh, again fill in this and this, because there is nothing such place called where we can fill automatically, right? Then again fill in this, so 2 3 4 5, it should be 5, but Huh, 30. So find the minimum number of times. So how it is? So for the fifth test case, how the output is 5, I should figure it out. Now for each test case, output is a single number. The minimal amount of actions 1 needed to fill all empty cells with water. The minimal amount of actions 1. If at some point I is uh, to minimize, find the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1. Minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1. Find the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with water. Empty cells with water. Minimum number of times. So in the minimum number times here is minimum number times is 5, right? Minimum number of time itself is 5. Note that you don't need to minimize the use of need to minimize the use of action 2. Note that blocked cells neither contains water nor can flip. Oh, yeah, I got that. If at some point I empty is empty and both cells I minus 1 and I plus 1 contains water, when then it becomes filled with water, find the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with water. So the minimum times he can spend, minimum number of times he can spend is 37. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇದು ತೆಗೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ತಾನೇ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಸಲ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ ನೀರು. Akansina. Hello, Ankansina. Sorry, I mispronounced your name, bro. Ankansina. Hello, welcome to the stream. You are the first person that texted me today. So some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions. Okay. Place water in an empty cell. No, bro. One of same one of person like you asked me Cadence algorithm. I did not. I did not see it. I don't know about that algorithm. So it was from, he told that it was from lead code, right? It was from lead code problem. He asked the same thing, but I was, hi, hi, Butter. You are the same person, right? Yesterday I made a friend with you in Codeforces. Butter Amulji. Yeah, you are the same person. I got it. Welcome to the stream again. We will see what is Cadence algorithm once I finish this problem, because you are the second person who is asking this. We have to see it. I think it's important. If you're asking means it might be important, right? It might be important. We have to see it. Then I'll finish it. I almost got this problem. I'll finish it. And Philip has a row cells. Find the minimum of time he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all the empty cells. I feel the 7th and 6th one so hard, man. I don't know, man. Why? 7th and 6th problem is from the CP-31 you are speaking, right, Amul? 6th and, are you talking about these questions? And I have to reach there to feel how you are feeling now, right? I have to reach there. Let me finish this. Yeah, you are ahead of me then. Keep trying, bro. It will come definitely. If you are trying, it will come, right? You are far ahead than me now. Has a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all the cells. Okay, I'm missing out something here. Then what cells contains water, then becomes filled with water. Find the minimum number of times. Yes, someday it will happen. Yesterday you saw, right? For one question I spent 1.5 hours, which took few minutes at the end to solve, right? It happens. If at some moment shall I the next line contains a string s of length and the ith character s dot the cell I is empty and cell I fill out what for each case. We have used only two for the 10th one. For the 10th one, we are placing 1 and 2 here. Then we will place 1 time, we will place here 2 times, then it will be filled automatically. Then we will place here, and then we'll place here, right? You see, this will be 2 times, and this will be 1 time, and this will be 2 times. It should be 5 times, but the answer is 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is something which is very simple. I am not getting it. Philip has a row of cells, some of which are blocked and some are empty. He wants all empty cells to have water in them. He has two actions. Okay, if at some moment cell I is empty and both cells have an okay, I got it. Find the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with the water. Find the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1. Find the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all empty cells with the water. Note that you don't need to minimize the use of action 2. I got this. I think either it is present in this itself. You don't need to minimize the use of action 2. And here I remove water from here one. Okay, if we have, if there is a gap of 3, then the answer will always be 3. If the gap is less than 3 or less than, which is 2 or 1, we have to count it all. If the gap is anywhere between 3, then the answer will always be 2, right? I hope I'm getting, because how I got it is, let me figure it out. Now we have this. Now let's assume we have this. Okay, what I am guessing, what I figured it out is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just for example, if assume that this is blocked and this is blocked. Now we will fill water first in this and in this. It will fill automatically, right? Then we will place this water, we'll remove from here and we will place here. It will, however, it will fill automatically, right? Then this is filled now. How many times we have did this? Only 2 times we have filled, and we have just removed and placed here, and then again we will place this here. Now this is filled, this is filled, and this is filled. So only 2 times we have filled the water. Now the answer is 2, but in the test case 3 or 2. we have seven boxes, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. Yes. Ah, boxes, right? Now the test case was, we will take this only. We'll take seventh one. Okay, okay. We'll take seventh one. This is blocked. Again, this is blocked, right? Yes. Now we have to fill in this. We have to fill in this. Now again we have to fill in this, and in this, and again in this. But coming to the test case, this one. Wait. We'll take it as a new one itself. Now coming to the test case, the 10th one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where we have is, in the first one is blocked, and the fourth one is blocked, and this one is blocked, and the last one. I know we have to give two gaps right here. Yes. This one is blocked, and this one is blocked. Now we have first, I will fill this one and this one, because this will fill automatically, right? Now I'll take this one to here and this one to here. Now these are filled, and this one to here, this is filled. How many times we have filled here is two times. I hope this is how it is solved, because he asked that the minimum the minimum number of times he needs to perform action 1 in order to fill all the empty cells with water. I think this is all. If the gap is less than 3, means 2 or 1, we have to count it as 2 or 1. If it is 3 or more than 3, we have to consider it as 2. Okay, we'll consider that only. Where 3 or more than 3. Event on the top. Okay, now we have int b in b, and string c in C. Now what I'll do is, uh, okay, if we have dot count, first we have to figure it out, like uh, the consecutive dots, the consecutive dots life is strange कितने करे भाई. This is my first problem. I started at 10:30. 6. Welcome to the stream. uh, what I'll do now is, let's take int as dot count, space count. If we have consecutive counts, but in this test case, if we have, we will count only two, right? We have to figure it out, twos and ones. If we have three, then no need to count others. If we don't have three, we have to count. Okay, we have to count. Can you show? Okay, here is the question, bro. Can you see this? If as, can you see? Wait, wait. Can you see now? We have to consider it as two. Yes. Okay. Now, uh, if we don't have, just will count three. We just will count uh, dot of three. Okay, dot of, why? Because, okay, I'll explain it afterwards. First I'll solve this. Dot of three, dot of three, I'll consider it as 0 first, and for auto j in, uh, wait, if in C, is, does this work? I think this doesn't work in C++, right? I'll once try in Python. Wait. Jet uh, b is equals to int of input of c is equals to input of c is equals to input of if in C, then print 2, else print uh, b minus count of hash, b dot count of hash, no, c dot count of hash. Save this also, but let's try what's the problem in this. 5 3 2 7 hash hash 1 2 3 4 hash 2 7 dot dot hash dot hash dot dot, correct. 4 hash 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 hash, yes. 10 uh, hash dot hash dot hash 2. I think we got our answers, guys. Control A, अरे control है भाई, copy 1900 A, right? Ah, we solved our first question, guys. We solved our first question without using Gemini. This one, right? Yes, we solved our first question. Today there are no people, right? There are no lot of people like yesterday. Strange. Wait. People, right? There are no lot of people like yesterday. Strange. I, once I will check the syntax. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿದೆಲೇನಾ ಅವನವನ C++ ತಾಗಿಂದ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗೈತಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಅಲಿಕರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಐ I wish that yesterday you should have been there in the last stream because there was a very interesting part. Bro, I am a second year now. I finished my first year. I am in my second year. I am not working professional. I am in my second year, bro. Do I look like working professional for you? Yeah, like if you, I look like I am pretty old. If you look like that, please consider subscribing. What's your name, by the way? I forgot it. Life is strange. Please consider subscribing, okay? Yes, bro. Okay. I'll figure out. Now I finished this question, right? I have to consider where is my VS Code. Huh? I have to code this in VS Code now. I wonder if I have solved the question with zero memory and less than 100 M. I wonder you have solved the questions with zero memory. How did you manage it, bro? Where are you, Mohammed Shahid Hallikari? Questions with zero memory. It was 100 MSR. Well, ಇತ್ಲೇ ಝೀರೋ ಕೆ ಹೌದ್ಲಿ ಝೀರೋ ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಝೀರೋ ಕೆ ವಿನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ I was just joking. Don't roast me, Shahid. Now I don't know. I uploaded it. Took memory as zero. What should I do now? And it also 78 ms, right? If and else condition. There were no loop to. There were no loop, right? In that. No, there were no loop. No loop. Only if and else condition. That's why there was only one loop, that too for test case, I guess. These all are by chance, right? These all are by chance, right? These are by chance. These are by chance. By chance. These were wrong. I agree that, but these are by chance. By chance, by chance, by chance. Oh, in ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನ್ಲೇನಾ by chance, by chance. I thought you solved it by yourself to manage better time and space complexity. It is not a better time. What are you talking, Shai? Solved it by I solved it in front of you and you are. I solved it in front of your eyes, Shai. Being a loyal subscriber, you should not speak like this, right? It hurts, man. It hurts. For me only, you are talking like this. Imagine the people who love you. I'm sorry. Total question solved, and which rating do you solve? So life is strange. I used to solve. I'm only solving now 800 because I have to improve my rating. My rating went down because of overconfident that I did. I thought I can solve 1000 rating questions and I attended D1, right? And my rating went down now. So I have to come back with these questions. So these are the questions which will improve our rating, and these also take time to solve. That's why I am solving these right now. Wait, I'll check now. I'll check the C++ code for this. I I fumbled here. I did not got it. Wait. There was a new subscriber which was Batramul Shahid. Batramul is my new subscriber. He's also same. He's also solving with me, but he's in the sixth problem now. Code, like, we check in Python. For example, if in C, I forgot, right? This was, oh, wait, I'll then check it, bro. But to increase rating, you have to take participate in contest. Yeah, I took participating in contest. My peak rating was 800 something. Wait, I'll check it. Where it is. My peak rating was 816. At this time, what I did is, to increase my rating, I attended Div 1 and Div 2 problem. Uh, Without having a prior knowledge that we should be able to solve like thousand and thousand above thousand rating problems. I was not knowing about that. When I reach 800, right, uh, we have to practice thousand rating problems and attend due at least due to, we should the maximum we should solve due to. But what I did is I attended due one problem, and my rating went down here. Okay, at this time what I did, uh, in due 3 also I failed, because the code forces was expecting me to solve uh, at least two questions. I was only solving one question at that time. And wait, here it is, my contest here. When I came here, right, 816 in due 4, I solved two questions. My rating decreased because it was expecting me to solve 3 or 4 questions. I solved two questions, but my rating still went down. And due 3 I solved, but still it went down. I don't know why. And in due 2 I solved 0 question. My rating, this was actually a penalty for me because I there was a wrong test case in that. And in due 2 I solved one. And for, can you show the graph in code forces? Okay, okay, 1 second. So this is the graph. This is the graph. Can you see this? We have to click on every point, right, to know that. So that's why what I did is I directly went here. You can get idea, right? These graphs are made by these only, right? And in due 3 I solved one, grid 1. What do you mean by grid 1? Life is strange. What is grid 1? I don't know what that. ग्रिड 1 क्या है भाई? ग्रिड 1 green grid. Oh, you are talking about daily problem solving, that streak one matrix like. Wait. कहाँ गए भाई? The square boxes one, this one. Are you talking about this one? Yeah, that's one. That is called grid. Oh, okay, I got it now. If you dot find out. participate in contest, bro. It will be nice. It will be nice when you get rating. It will be nice, and when your rating goes down, it will be very frustrating. Nothing will happen. Even though 72 questions, you can participate, right? What is the rating now? No, I mean, what rating are you asking about? Like, which rating should you take participate in context, or but question is so frustrating. That is CP, bro. It is very frustrating. It is very frustrating. Once we get any pattern that I got this question, then it will be very satisfying, right? Once we get the solution for that, after then we can chill out till we get the pattern, and till we write that in code and we get all the test cases passed. Until then we don't have any satisfaction. If you once pass the whole thing, the first thing we get satisfaction is when we get pattern. After that we get after that then we get satisfied when we write that pattern in code. Now I failed in C++, right? You saw that I failed in C++. I figure I'm saying it now in I solved it in Python, right? Wait, shy bro. Where was my question now? This is only, right? If C dot contains contains okay. uh, yeah, have you used bit manipulation here? No. Why should I use? It's just a string problem, right? Just I'm seeing the string is present. If not, then just uh, print the length of hash. No, the length minus hash length. C dot contains uh, okay, else C out. Okay. What should I use? Uh, use for CP. What does that there greater symbol? It means printing out. See out means print. It is like it is a syntax. We have to for printing out. We should use that. See out B minus uh, we are not we will be not using. Okay, string in enclose not found as not found as not found doesn't exist. Not found string exist. Then I will use this itself. Ah, yes, that only. If you want to print something, we have to use that. Without it, there is a checklist you follow. I follow this. Initially, I was from for a few days I am following this. Before that I was not using any checklist or any uh, to solve questions. I was from starting I was not using anything. I used to go, I used to filter the questions, I used to take 800, 900 rating problems and used to solve it, which were easy. Now I'm not in 800, I'm not getting easy, right? Someone suggested in the stream, he suggested that you should go with CP-31, which is very good. So that's why what I did, I picked CP-31. Now I am solving them. They actually eat our head, right? They take a lot of time. Today it took almost 40 to 50 minutes to solve this. What's wrong with this? Is there anything problem? Yeah, I think I am making any mistake here. There is actually a syntax I'm not getting. Okay, acha, I have to find character. I am just this was missing. Instead of auto, I should have used character here. Then it would be easy. What's problem now? Mm-hmm. What's the problem now? It's correct only, right? Then why it's not giving? Think there is something mistake in this. I'll copy this. अबे क्या हो रहा है? Ooh, thanks, bro. Life is strange. Same with the double quotes. I was thinking that only, भाई एक सिंगल कोट की वजह से क्या क्या हो जाता है. What was that? Five, right? Three. I got it. Uh, Thank you, bro. Life is strange. What's your real name, by the way? It's very strange, right? To call you Life is strange. And now I got it. Thank you. Two, three. Okay. There is no use of submitting it right now, but what will go us? We will submit it. The people still watching. Yeah, it's went now. 100 KB memory. Umashai Dhaligiri, if you are saying 100 KB memory is used here, time is used less now. Okay, we will go with the next problem now. We will go right. And but will you do other than DSA? We have subject for DSA other than DSA. Other than DSA. In development we have React.js. I have to practice React.js, and there is also MongoDB is there. There will be extension of MongoDB. We have to practice that in the next sem, and we have React.js also. We have to practice that. But I don't think I will do that in stream, but I'll do my own. But I thought I will solve CP questions in stream because it's it's very boring, right, to solve by myself. And I also thought I'll try streaming now. But in development we are in our college, I'm telling, in our college we are doing React.js. In second sem we did React.js, like introduction, like building a interface, a web page, or what we call it as interactive website. No, I think that only we can build a proper portfolio. We can build uh, a web page. We can build a proper interface using React.js. And I have to practice also. It's very important, they say that, but DSA is also important. Right, in development we are doing just React.js, and also sometimes no, sometimes there is also MongoDB. We finished our SQL. We finished our SQL. We are now doing MongoDB. There is still syllabus of MongoDB which will be done in our third sem now. And in development, like in web development, we have React.js, where I should study more, because it's it is a subject where we have to uh, the syntax has to be remembered a lot, right? Like in React.js, exporting, importing, it was very hard to pass the second sem in React.js. If we miss any one, just one mistake, if we just we are writing a code now, if I just didn't put a full stop, the entire code will not run, right? That's a very hard part there. Even that will not get any error showing where you have done mistake. We have to figure it out by our own, right? That is very frustrating than this. Okay, I'll solve this. Is your course BTech or BCA? BTech. BTech engineering, bro. One and who are playing a game. Players are given an integer n on their turn. The player can add one to current on and who are playing a game. Players are given an integer n on their turn. The player can add one to current integer or subtract one. The player take turns. One as starts. If after one has moved, the integer is divided by 3, then he wins. If 10 moves have passed and one has not won, then over wins. One and who are playing a game, players are given an integer n. Okay. On their turn, the player can add 1 to the current integer or subtract 1. The players take turns. One as starts. If after one has moved, the integer is divided by 3, then he wins. If 10 moves have passed and one has not won, then who wins. One and who are playing a game. Players are given an integer n on their turn. Okay, they are given an integer n. Okay, there is 1, 3, 5, 100, 900, 999, and 1000. And now the player can add 1 to the current integer or subtract 1. 1. The player can add 1 to the current integer or subtract 1. Player take turns. So one starts. So he has so if he has 1, he has to add 1 or subtract 1, right? He has to do anything in that. If it is 0, he can't. If he adds -1, he can't. If after that, uh, after adding, he has to check that whether after his move the integer is divided by 3, then he wins. If 10 moves have passed and 1a has not won, then over wins. For this, we have to, like, once we have, uh, let's assume 1a has 1. Now you should add either 1 or -1. Okay, if 1a starts and the integer is already odd, then always first. So who is first and second without codes if over wins. Okay, if uh, it is 1, right, he has to add 1 or minus 1. If you do 0 mod 3, 3 0, no, now she can't. It is very simple. It is very simple. It is very simple. If I get pattern, it is very simple. One and who are playing a game, player are given an integer n on their turn. The player can add 1 to the current integer or subtract 1. The player takes turns. One starts. Okay, one always starts first. Now he has 3. He makes a move plus 1. Then another person makes a move plus 1 or minus 1. Depends upon him. Okay, plus 1 or minus 1. Okay. We have, like, first we will take integer 3. Now one has turned, right. Now he has to make a move before dividing divisible by 3. He has to make a move now. Plus 3, it will become 4, and he can't. So 1, now 1 at 1 will be 3. Okay. 5 and 1 6. Okay, the first one wins. Okay, okay. 1 and with 3 plus 1. Okay, 4th. What he do is minus 1, 3th. Now 1 has plus 1. So if it is divisible by 3, if a number is divisible by 3, then he can't win, I guess. If it is not divisible by 3, then he can win. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, where we have 6. Okay, if b mod 3 equals 0, then cout cout first is not equals 0, is not equals 0. Bro, take your live screen on left topmost corner on the screen because you can't see the sample out. Okay, okay, one second, Shahid. One second, Shahid bro. Is this okay, bro? Or here? No, wait. I think this is good, right? Is this good, Shahid? Is it good, Shahid? अरे आंसर दे भाई. I think this is good, right? Is this good, Shahid? Is it good, Shahid? You shift based on the situation. Okay, now it's correct. Okay. First, handle, yells, see out. Second, our response reaches you around 10 to 15 seconds later. I recommend you to buy a very fast internet. There was my subscriber whose name was Chirag S. Wadrali. He was facing the same issue. I suggested him the same answer, but he was very rude to me. He was telling some abusing words. Shy bro, I'll submit it, bro. I'll check it. Not mine. Only all the live chat I am seeing that all are reaching at the same delay. Then everybody's false, right? Fault, right? It's not mine. अब क्वेश्चन का कोड क्या था भाई? 1899 ए. 1899 ए. Accepted. Accepted. Shy bro. Accepted. Same as the last question. 100 kb and 31 ms. Do you want to see the question, Shy bro? Late note ತಗೊಂಡ್ Same as the last question. 100 kb and 31 ms. Do you want to see the question, Shahid bro? You already saw. If you want to know the comments fast, then you can play live stream in your mobile. No, bro, I was just trolling him. He is my friend. Umma Shahid Alikari is my friend. It takes a little bit, like 10-15 seconds delay when I stream. It takes delay. It's always a delay. Shahid, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಏನ್ಲೆ ತಡಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಇದೆ ಯಪ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಲೆ ತಿರುಗತ್ಲೆ ಮಗ. Are you still awake? Till what time you will be awake, bro? At what time you will sleep? There is nothing to do tomorrow morning. If you want, we can. Be better if you provide that website link in description. 1 second, I will just paste it. Shy bro, just for you, I have pasted it. Shy bro, just for you. Did you got it, Shahid? Okay, you are going to sleep in 20 to 30 minutes. I can get watch time of 20 to 30 minutes now. Please stay with me. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇನ್ಲಿ ಶಾದೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಗೀಚಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐತೆ ನೋಡದ ನೋವು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ can I see it after streamings? Yeah, you can. It will be always available. It will be always available. ಶಾದ ಏನೋ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ ತಡಿ 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 ಸೈಜ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೋಲ್ದೇ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ ಏನಾರ ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಕ್ಲೆ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡ್ರಗತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಏನಂದೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಶಾಯಿ ಲವ್ ಟು ಕೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಾಗತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾ ಓಹೋ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೇಲ್ ನಂದು ಬೇಡ ನಿಂದು ಬೇಡ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ಅವ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮು ನೋಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪೇ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೀ ಓಕೆ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಬ್ರೋ that's a pretty good warning for me. I'll just write your name here. Shahid is sorry. Let it be Shahid is my friend. ಅದು ಜಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಲೆ and they are genuinely watching. Okay. Let's solve the another question. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆವಳ್ಳಿ ಮಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಪ್ಪ ನಂಗೆ you are given a permutation a of size n you can do the following operation ಏನು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕೋದೇನೆ yeah sorry I was just sorry life is strange bro your name is very strange bro like to take your name right you are given a permutation wait 1 second I will see this oh butter Amul told that he was solving these two questions today nakbalepa butter Amul told that he was solving these two questions if I solve this question I will be there right he was very frustrated today he was telling that before I go to my hostel I have to solve all this a of size n, you can do the following operation. Select an index I from 2 to n minus 1 such that ai minus 1 is again and ai swap ai and ai plus 1. So you are Butteramol. Life is strange, bro. You are Butteramol. Are you Butteramol? Coming with different account. This is your different account, right? That's what you are telling. Hmm. But you are also texting with the Butteramol account, right? I thought he had same account. He was. I thought if he texted in the chat, he will use Butteramol only. So you are Butteramol. Determine whether it is possible to solve the permutation after finite number of operations. So in this I from 2 to n minus 1. 2 to 2 to n minus 1. ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Then determine whether possible. No, it is possible to sort the permutations after a finite number of operations. Determine whether show whole sample output. Okay. Can you see now? Sample output is you also want to see note, right? Wait 1 second then. Ah, this covers whole question now. You are given permutation A of you are given a permutation A of size n. You can do the following operation. Select an index I from 2 to n minus 1 such that ai minus 1 is ಅಂದ್ರೆ greater ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ swap ai and ai plus 1. Determine whether it is possible to sort the permutation after finite number of operation. A permutation ai plus 1. Determine whether it is possible to sort the permutation after of the array. ಅಂದ್ರೆ permutation is an array consisting of n distinct integers from 1 to n arbitrary order. 2 3 is a permutation, but 1 to 2 is not a permutation to operate. So there will be, so it is a set, that we can say it is a set. It is not a permutation to operate is not a permutation because permutation n equals 3 but there is 4 in the array. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. No, why? But there is n equals 3, n equals 3 but there is 4 in array. Okay, 2 appears twice in the array and 1 comma 3 comma 4 is not a permutation and equals 3 but there is 4 in the array. Each test contains multiple test cases. Okay, no, we can't swap it, we can't swap it. Okay, each test contains multiple test cases. In the first test case, the permutation is already sorted. First we have to check whether it is, if conditions would be we have to check whether it is sorted or not. In the second test case, we can choose index I equals 2, 2 which is greater than, we swap it, and then we can choose index I equals 4, I equals 4. I equals 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 0 1 1 2 3 4, we swap it 1 2 3 4, so it is sorted. So basically we can change it, we can. Okay, now in the third test case, it can prove that it is impossible to sort the array. Yes, because in the second index it is not greater than, so it is decreasing, it is always decreasing, it is sorted but in reverse order. It can't be because it is less than and less than, it is greater than but less than. We can't do this because it is less than and also less than, we can't change it, and it is greater than but no. Okay, now what we have to do is 1 3 2 5 4. If our index is swapped with a index I with a index I plus 1, if a index I is greater than a index I minus 1, and also if it is greater than a index I is greater than a index I plus 1. If it is present, then we have to swap it with a index I should be replaced with a index I plus 1, right? Then again the array, again the loop follows, but uh, but what happens is, once we wait, I'll we have one letter 1 3 2 5 4 ಇಲ್ಲ 1 3 2 5 4, it is greater than this and greater than this, ಇದು 1 2 3 5 4 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್, ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 4 5, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it gets sorted like this. But I have to check two other example also. In the third, no, the last test case, first 1 1 3 2 5 4, right? Now what I have to do, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೂಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಐ, you have to check the first three numbers, compare the center one with the left right numbers. If the center one satisfies the condition, then you should swap. I got the question. If it is greater than both of them, we have to swap with the next number, and we have to follow till we get an increasing ascending, no, like a sorted array. If we get a sorted array, then we have to print yes, if not, then print no. That only, right? one with the left one and right numbers. If the center one satisfies the condition, then you should swap the center one with the next number, then you should swap. That only I said. Now I will check this with a loop. What I will do is, if ಈಗ ನಾ ಲೂಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so now I should run a loop in such a way that 1 3 2 5 4, right? If it is greater than, swap it, and then again I have to ಒಂದ ಲೂಪ್ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ ಲೂಪ್ ಸಾಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Think rather than using loops, you can solve using technique like two pointers. We can we can we can solve using two pointers, but if we just take one index, like if we take, wait, one, let's 1 3 2 5 4, right? Now I'll take from index this, right? If it is greater than this and greater than this, I swap here. Now what I do is, this comes here and this goes here. Now the new array will be 2 3 5 4, right? Again it is in the same loop, right? Now I will be going to here. First I was here, now I am going to here. I am checking this and this, it does not satisfy, then I am going for this. It is just one loop. Now it is greater than this, greater than this, they swap with each other. It becomes 1 2 3 4 5. Two pointers means, just like we can't do that, right? Here 1 5 4, what will take as a first pointer now? We have to compare it with the other, right? But we have to swap it now here. Once I will try it, wait, once I will try it with Python, I'll try it with this only, wait. C for int j equals 0, j less than b, j plus plus, c in c index j. Now we got our input. Now what I should do is, we will take, what we will do is, we'll just do the condition that he has given. We will go with the condition that he has given. If it is greater than both the sides, ai minus 1 and ai plus 1, we will just shift with the right one. For int j equals 1, j less than b, j plus plus. If C index j is greater than C index j minus 1 and uh, C index j C index j is less than, we should use double and right here, ampersand is C index j plus 1. So in next round should compare next three numbers, like you are comparing 3 with 2 and 5, but you should compare 5 with 3 and 4, considering 5 at center. Okay, one second. Next round should compare next three numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಲೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್. In the second test case, okay, in the second test case, we can choose index I equals 2 as, we did that. Then we can choose index 4 as 3 is less than 5. Index 4, I choose index I equals 4 as 3 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 4. We 1, 3, 2, 5 and 4, right? One second. Whether it is possible to sort the permutation after a finite number of operations. A permutation is an array consisting of n distinct integers from 1 to n in arbitrary order. Okay, I got in arbitrary order is a permutation. But okay, each test case contains multiple test cases. We are getting it as in increasing order or not. Now 1 2 3 1, we swap it, and again we get 1 2 3, we swap it. Here in the second test case, what we did is we considered 3 and 2, and what we did, we swapped this with this. Now what he is doing, we got this only, right? 1 2 3 5 4 here. Then we can choose index I equals 4. So first he performed this and swapped this, then he got index 4, right? Choose index I equals 4 as, so okay, zeroth index, right? ಯಪ್ಪಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 2s3, okay, correct. Then we can choose I equals 4 as 5. So first initially it was, yeah bro, you got it right. Then wait, then I will try it once. Wait, in Python I will do it first. In C++ it is very lengthy syntax. It is correct, right? Like how I thought it, is it correct, right? Shahid, it is correct, right? Or it is a sarcastic way that you told it? I'm asking seriously. Are you being sarcastic or are you telling like I got it seriously? Uh, C index j is greater than C index j minus 1, and you can check that method for test cases. What are you trying to tell me, Shahid? That is answer will be no. Wait. You are the only guy who are watching me. You are always watching me, bro. Since ninth. No, since 8th. Swap of. Yeah, swap of function is the. Wait one second. Welcome to the stream, Raj Balyan. Welcome to the stream. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. Shahid, our new subscriber, is watching our stream now. अरे स्वैप का मैंने स्वैप का ये कर दिया क्या? Wait. I'm forgetting everything. Yeah, bro. Just swap क्या? You have to swap in C, right? All the best. I'm joining college in 1 week. Any suggestion? I have a senior in my chat. His name is Momo Shahid Hallikeri. He's actually a senior for me. You can ask him. He has better suggestions for you. If you ask me, so which college are you joining? First of all, if two if you have to increase the j by 2 ra, why? If j is greater than cj minus 1. वेलो वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग भाई. धक धक होने लगता है क्वेश्चन देख के. फोकस का क्या सीन है, क्या कैसे? उत्तराखंड. Bro, you are far away from us. If you are Uttar Karnataka, we can suggest you. Panther 39 in the house. Panther 39, I have fixed my live chat. Now you can see on the screen an upgrade for the live stream, and also there is a person who is actually joining a college. So, what was his name? What was his name? Wait. Raj Balyan. Bro, there are two of my seniors who is watching this stream. You can ask them. Panther 39 and Mohammad Shahid Alikari, please suggest your suggestion for him. Ah, and there is one another guy who is asking, Shrish Tiwari, फोकस का क्या सीन है? क्या कैसे? क्या भी सीन नहीं है ब्रो. जस्ट सॉल्व. जस्ट सॉल्व. Oh, Panther 39. Raj Balyan is asking that do you have any suggestion? Like he is joining his college. I guess he is joining engineering. Is there any suggestion? Because you are super senior than me, right? And there is also one senior present in my chat now, who is Momo Shahid Hallikeri. And Panther 39 is actually super senior for me. So Raj Balyan, you can ask them. And if you ask me, uh, what can I suggest? I can't suggest you anything. I'm also just finished my first year, right? Okay, bye. I was asking, do you have any suggestion as I am joining college this week, CSE core? Then start doing DSA as soon as possible. Don't waste your first year. ये यार ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಶಾದೆ. Raj Bulan, start doing DSA, start doing React JS, whatever your college teaches you, do that. And if I tell you any suggestion, there are my seniors who will laugh at me now. They will laugh at me, and they also know that doing DSA. We are also doing this only, right? Codeforces. See, they are already started trolling me now. पैटर्न क्या क्या करता हूँ, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, बट अगेन फिर होता है दक तक देख देख के फिर जैसा ऐसे आई सिट एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग एंड बट या ऐसे दूर करो. आई थिंक थैंक यू ब्रो. डोंट वेस्ट युअर फर्स्ट ईयर, दैट इज द मेन थिंग. क्रेजी बाय लेट आते वक्त बरोबर. ತಡ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಯಾರ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾನ ಪಾಪ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಶ್ರೀಶ್ ತಿವಾರಿ ಅಂತ. कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है बट अगेन फिर होता है. ब्रो श्रीश तिवारी, वी आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम. ಲೇ ಇವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಬರೀತಾರಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮಕ್ಳು. ಇವ ನೋಡು, ರಾಜ್ ಬಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಉತ್ತರಾಖಂಡ್. Raj Balan bro, please consider subscribing to my channel. You are in which college bro? Which college bro? Okay. NIT Mangalore bro. ನನಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೀನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಪ್ಪ. YENE NO NU ಪೋ ಆತ್ಲಿ ಅದು. ಥೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೆಸರು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ಸ್ತಪ್ಪ ನೀನು. ಪೋಯ್ಯ ಪೋಯ NIT. You might have seen his ads. Thanks bro, thank you. Dealer Shrees bro, if you are watching this, we are also facing the same issue. Like we lose confidence. We lose confidence, and we also lose rating while solving and while giving the contest, right? We lose a lot of rating, we lose a lot of confidence. I can't understand your language, sorry. Yeah, we are from Karnataka, that's why I'm speaking in English. You can now understand English, right? So that's why I'm speaking in English now. ತಳ್ಳೆಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Yeah, Shrish Tiwari is in the house, he is still watching now. Okay, we'll solve this question. ಆಗೋಲ್ದು ಈಶಾದ ಇದು ನೋವು. It's okay bro, he is from Karnataka, sometimes he speaks Kannada, sometimes I usually speak Kannada bro. Panther bro. So you are from you missed a in that. You missed a in that. Not NIT, not NIT, NIAT. ಹ್ಞೂನ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ಲೇ ಪಡ ಪಡ ಮುಗಿಯವಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಆಗೋದು. You are given permission. Yup, Raj Bulla. You are given a permutation A of size n. You can do the following operation. Question mark telena. ಅದೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇನ. I forgot English. I forgot the question bro. Good night Panther bro. You can Shahid, he understood. He understood what I said. He understood. No need to mention that difference. ಶಾಲೆ ಮುಕ್ಕೊಳೋನ್ಲೇ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರೋದೈತಪ್ಪ ನಂಗೆ. What I'm saying is we will sleep. I am not able to solve this question now. I am getting very ah okay, then we will end this stream. It is already very late night, right? We were streaming. I wanna ask how much college have you effect on overall career, as I could go to good college because of some family problem. Could not go to nothing, bro. Just focus like kebal. There are my friends here only in the stream who are seniors. So it's all left to you. Of this college, no. Another came. Another subscriber came. Content tutorial. Arey bro, I am not from a company. I am a second year student now. You दाढ़ी तक clear नाना. I am looking very old. शायद pawn of the board. Hello bro, welcome to the stream. Please consider subscribing. शायद report ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ನಾ ಈಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ಮಗನ. Pawn of the board, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. You are really looking like a teacher or uncle. Bro, there are my friends watching. You are literally saying this to me right now. You could have told this tomorrow whenever nobody is watching. You told in front of my friends. मेरी अभी जॉब लगी है. ए बड़ा बड़ा स्ट्रीम मॉडल है. अंकल ब्रो पैंथर ब्रो रिपोर्ट ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ಮಗನ. If you rate, I will subscribe. My ID Kumar 576. Should I open? Is this Instagram account? You have demands, bro. You have demands. Raj Balan, bro, you were asking suggestion and now you are roasting me in front of my friends. You could have just subscribed and come tomorrow where nobody is watching, and you could have told this, right? Oh, lead code ID. Wait 1 second. Raj Balan, bro, what you did? सब्सक्राइबर के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है भाई. एक तो सब्सक्राइबर हो जाए भाई. Clean in this panther. Rajbalan bro, are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I am saying now? That's why having friends in the stream is very dangerous. Okay, where should I search ID? What was your ID, bro? Kumar 576. Hello, this right? Oh, ba. 2000 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು. ಚುರ್ಯ. I got this is only right. This is your ID, right? ನೋಡ್ಲಿ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ ಒಂದು ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ a noob bro. B Kumar, you are B Kumar, right? Solid 10, solid 10. You are asking a noob like to rate. You are asking a noob that to rate. I'm actually a beginner, bro. What is going on chat now? Replace your name with my crazy. Current crazy, it's like crazy. When hacker meets noob. Yeah, it was mine. It was mine. Then what? What happened to now? What happened to it now? You still use it, right? Oh, thanks, thank you, Pon. Mhm. Wait, I need to follow you in this because it's a solid rating. No, thanks for supporting. Less time. So you are already in a company working, bro. I think you are very super senior than us. Yeah, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ lead code. I don't Panther bro. I don't use lead code. I have kept it for my third year. Wait, once I'll show it. Nothing is there. I have not used lead code. I have just an account in that. Nothing I did in that. Khali khali. Okay. Is that it for this today's stream? Oh, I am 2026 graduated. Got four offers in all range 5 to 7. Okay. So you graduated this year, bro. Which college? ಕಾಕಿನಾಡ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕಾಕಿನಾಡ. ಕಾಕಿನಾಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲೇ ಚರೆ? ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ತೋರ್ಸಾದಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ರಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲೈತೆ ನೋಡು, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕಾಕಿನಾಡ್. ಈ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ಲಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ JNTU ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. Another person came, Chirag, Jatin Rohila. Bro, from which tier college you are and in which tier company are you working with? Is this question for Pon or for me? Jatin bro. If you are asking me, I am not working in a company. I am a second year student. ನಾಳೆಂತ್ರ ದಾಡಿ ತಕೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ, ನಾ ಸಾಪ್ ಹೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ. Can open my LinkedIn. Bro, I want to connect with you. Please add your LinkedIn in YouTube bio from LC profile. Jatin bro, are you asking the what profile of me or pawn of the board? Jatin bro. Okay. I'll. What's your LinkedIn profile then? Pawn of the board. What's your LinkedIn? No, why would you ask mine, bro? You're actually a super senior, right? Pon bro, what's your LinkedIn ID? I think I don't have a LinkedIn. I have. Mm-hmm. Oh, on college name. Okay, wait a second. I'll open it. Mm-hmm. It is there. ಚಿರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೆ ಇದೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ ನೋಡು. ಓ ಭಾಯಿ 1376 ಕೋಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬಿಡು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ. ನೈಸ್ ಬ್ರೋ. I have sent you a invitation. My name is Jeevan. What you are telling, bro? Codolio link there. What is Codolio? What's this? Is this any platform to practice questions? Yeah, you accepted. Okay, it tracks all your record from all the platforms. Okay. 1 second. Okay, you have solved these many questions and up to days. 1 second. Fundamentals in hacker rank, you did this. DSA, you did this much. Competitive programming is this much. Oh, I got it now. It's a track of the Codolio is track of you, right? Jatin bro, if you want mine, if you are still there, if you want my LinkedIn, this is my LinkedIn. How can I give you the LinkedIn link? Did I copy this? Pon bro, you have any suggestion for E&C branches? But I am not one of them. There is my friend Panther 39 who is texting here. He is from E&C branch and he has a campus drive this sem. Is there anything that you have to say for him? No, Chira, pawn of the board. He accepted my invitation in LinkedIn. Like not the one. Invitation in LinkedIn. Hmm. Atto mukonon time ಒಳಗೈತಿ. Okay, I will be ending the stream now. Okay. Chirag. Yeah, many companies raise difficulties, so need to grind mediums in lead code, so you can clear TCS and many service based. Many companies raise difficulties, so need to grind mediums in lead code. Chirag, your suggestion has been given by pawn of the board. Thank you, pawn of the board. I forgot your name, bro. One second. Wait, what's your name here? Kumar, bro. My friend is asking that do you have any connection in ECE core branch, ENC core branch? Do you have any connection? But some companies asking CP style, then you can go Codeforces and all. So basically, they are asking in campus drive. They are asking for C and C++ for them. But he is asking like, do you have any friends or anything that you can share with him for ECE core? You might have friends, right? He is actually in last year now. He is actually in last year. Yeah, in ECA I have. They are working in Moschip.
Like not the one.
Okay. Can you connect them with my friend if you don't mind? If you don't mind, can you? It might be helpful for him, right? Panther 39. You can connect with him in LinkedIn and ask for ECE core, right? It is very helpful. You are getting a connection. He is in his last year, bro. MD Shahid Hallikar in the house. Welcome to the stream. Then I will connect to you in LinkedIn for further information. Kumar bro, my friend has said that he will connect you in the LinkedIn for further information. His name is Chirag SV. If you get confused here, okay, send connection request. His name is Chirag SV. His Panther 39's real name is Chirag SV. He is my best friend and also MD Shahid Hallikari sometimes. Thank you, pawn of the board, for this helpful gesture you showed in our stream at the end. Keep coming to our stream. You can also try EC core in TCS. They also hiring for VLSI and IoT domains. Chirag SV, I think this is your field of expertise. Please look into this. Kumar bro is telling something. Sent and you accepted it to Chirag Vadrali. इंग्लिश कल ही लिए मैंने. Thank you, pawn of the board, bro. Sorry, Kumar, bro. You helped a friend. Chirag, did you get the connection? Did you get the connection? हाँ या ना? जल्दी जल्दी बोल. अबे बोल दे भाई. निधि बता देते. Yeah, I am connected. Thank you, bro. Kumar, bro. Thank you. Really thankful to you. Thank you, bro. ನೀನು ಚಿರಾಗ. Yes, he has been connected with you. And please visit our streams once in a while, bro. I know you are already passed out. Please visit once in a while. If we do anything wrong, please guide us. And yeah, you both are connected now. I think it's a time to end the stream, right? Shall we end the stream now? Shall we end the stream? Yeah, I will. Yeah, thank you. Okay, then we will end our stream now. I think. Okay, good night. Okay, good night, bro. Kumar, bro, thank you. Thank you for Aditya Nagar. Aditya Hunger. Sorry, I mispronounced your name. I'm really sorry. We are ending the stream, bro. It's already more than already 3 hours. If you are new subscriber, please what subscribe to our channel. Aditya Aditya, bro. It's already more than almost 3 hours. It's almost 3 hours. What do you need guidance from us? We are just a beginners. I am in my first year. I completed my first year. I am moving to my second year. What guidance do you want, bro? I think you are already older than me. I think either you are from third or fourth year, right? It's already one and 1:30 now. Can we join tomorrow, bro? Yeah, bro. Aditya, bro. What I'm telling is, I have good deal for you. What you do is subscribe to my channel. But could you? Yeah, we can connect, bro. Here is my LinkedIn. Take it. Here is my LinkedIn. I have once again. I will paste my LinkedIn. Wait once again. Copy. This is my LinkedIn. If you want my code forces, I'll paste that also once again. This is my code forces. What you do is you subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow I will start at 9:30. I will start the stream at 9:30. I will do some problems and then we can discuss. Right? That's a good deal, right? You subscribe to my channel, and here are my LinkedIn and my code forces, right? Yeah, yeah. We can end the stream now. Okay, bye.